Hi there. Today, our topic is about key controls on procurement. Part 1. We have a dialogue between Andy, IT manager, and Connie, head of IA. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Hi, Andy. I have checked the set of procurement for the off-site data center.
Hi, Connie. Any problems so far?
Yes, there are some missing documents not attached. Can you please provide further?
What are these?
Okay, it is about how this selected supplier. Why the supplier being selected? Is there any selection criteria and comparison with other suppliers? Any quotations for all suppliers?
Connie, this supplier was appointed by COO. He has told CIO about the supplier. Then we have selected them.
Oh well, this is not in compliance with the procurement policy and procedures.
Connie, I am following what CIO's instruction. This is the email that I have.
Andy, in terms of the costs, we should have more stringent controls in the procurement process.
Connie, I'm following what CIO's instruction. Sorry, I was not aware. Shall we discuss together with CIO?
Sure.
Refer to the scenario. Referral could be one of the reasons in selecting a supplier's. However, if procurement policy has stated to seek for 3 or 4 quotations, unless there are sufficient justifications, otherwise, all employees, including senior management, should comply with the policies. Although there are no direct legal implications to this procurement requirements, it is a best practice in most of the organization, even government is adopting. One of the key reasons for this, not just to show the company is fair to all suppliers, for its own benefits in terms of costs, a company should select the suppliers who can provide cost-effective services products to them. Usually, in the approval matrix, there are limits being set for purchasing different categories of items. For the case in the scenarios, the annual costs of an off-site data center could be more than $1 million in total for a sizable organization. The approver may go to CFO or CEO level. The reason why no quotations are sought for comparison should be stated on paper, for approver to review before approving. Just an email asking IT manager to select this supplier is definitely not sufficient. We shall continue in Part 2, Key Controls on Procurement. Stay tuned. To recap, here are the key points. Employees should refer to the procurement policy in seeking sufficient quotations in the market. Justification on why no other quotations are sought for comparison should be stated on form for reviewer and approver to review before approving the item. Employees should also refer to the approval matrix of the company and seek for proper approval. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about inventory management, Part 1. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.